always wanted to live in a property where it feels like a hotel. We enjoy hanging out by the pool. Due to the nature of our work, we tend to travel a lot, and we find ourselves quite fond of living in Mont'Kiara. Not too crowded, varieties of good restaurants and neighbourhood malls, and we find it very convenient, which suits our lifestyle. Enjoy the landscape, lush greeneries, and fresh air.
Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be bringing you through a tour of a 3,000 square feet, 4+1 bedroom luxury condominium strategically located in the world-class enclave of Mont'Kiara. A neighbourhood renowned for its affluence and influence, including a sizeable expatriate community in an address of stature enveloped in a lush cocoon of tranquillity. The moment you step into the property, the dry kitchen island is the first thing that you would notice. However, the pathway leading to the island had two doors which led to the powder room and wet kitchen, which in our opinion wasn't too sightly.
When we stepped into the unit, we felt there were a lot of doors. Even with the doors closed, you'll be guessing if it's a storeroom, a bedroom, or a kitchen entrance. We told our designers we wanted a pathway that guides you to the attraction of the home and not distracted by so many doors.
So what we decided to do was to create a feature wall that hides out all the doors leading to the amenities, keeping the general space neat and consistent. The other significant change we did to the floor plans was to flip the dining area with the living area. Two factors that concluded to this decision was that we wanted to keep the living area as a tucked-in space, making it seem almost like a theatre space, and secondly was to allow for more transparency to the open balcony. A display shelving cabinet divides the living from the dining area to create a sense of division for both these areas. There was an existing beam that went across the area, and with the placement of the display shelving, we managed to create a unique plaster-ceiling design which gave the living area a unique character. We always envisioned to have the TV feature wall large enough to create a strong presence across the hall. The challenge was that there was a tiny side window at the right corner. We tackled the issue by implementing timber blinds that vertically covers the entire window. This allows us to keep natural lighting at the corner, and in the terms of design, the timber blinds complements the entire TV feature wall as a whole. The carefully selected marble feature wall gives the entire living area a strong touch of elegance, softened with the warm contrast from the timber blinds and low-base cabinet.
One of the briefs to our designers was that we enjoyed drinking. And we had this unusual habit of having drinks before we head to bed. And our designers decided to create a statement lobby that depicts this peculiar personality of ours.
When we design something for our clients, we love to get personal. Something about their lifestyle or personality must be extracted to be crafted as a highlight to their property. When our client shared this unique enthusiasm about his liquor collection, we knew we wanted to create this as the highlight to this unit. However, we didn't want to create a bar at the kitchen island. We wanted a distinctive impact, something like a man's cave. So we took the family area and painted the walls dark, modified the bedroom doors to look seamless, added a curved aluminium framework, And the final touch was the application of the herringbone solid wood flooring that brings out the wintry character.
We enjoy watching movies a lot, and acoustic was one of our priority. Hence, we love the idea that the living area was swapped with the dining hall. The living space feels cozy and tucked in, and is very accessible. Every time when our mouth gets itchy, we could just go through the hidden door and grab some snacks from the fridge.
Another reason we added the feature wall to hide the wet kitchen entrance was for the acoustic purpose. Paired with custom-made carpet that covers the entire living area and 2 layers of curtains, the audio-visual acoustic of the place turned out ideal. Behind the manly lounge area hides 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Each bedroom has a scenic view of the Mont'Kiara landscape and pool view. Every room is designed with a minimalist touch. Neutral tonalities, fabric cushion headboards, gold trim and chamfered carpentry details. Proper lighting orientation, which allows for different mood and task lighting, is very important. Good lighting placement at the dressing table, the bathroom and cozy ambience lighting for the bedrooms concludes the final outcome of your designs. Some may find living in a high-rise being the ideal habitat. 24/7 guarded surveillance, surrounded by lifestyle amenities and facilities. It bridges the gap between a premier lifestyle in an urban locale and living close to nature. Share your thoughts with us. Are you a high-rise or landed kind of person? My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Stay tuned to our next episode. We will be revealing a luxury landed property which is surrounded by nature and luxuriant landscape. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss out on our upcoming exciting episodes. We are also on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Follow us there to watch some of behind the scenes of what we're doing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.